Hi, today I'm just going to have a little chat with you about how to use the No Chintz range of fabrics back with another designer range of fabrics. Today I'm going to focus on the Walter G range. This is a collection of block printed linens produced or designed here in Australia, produced overseas, but really lovely patterns, a variety of different colours. Today we're going to focus on just the mustard colours and how they work back with the No Chintz neutrals and mustards that we have. So you may go and have a sofa in a linen fabric or a linen mix, something like this. A nice way to just give a little bit of colour and pattern to a fabric of this particular base would be to add Walter G cushions in, any of these designs would definitely work. It could be cushions on your sofa, it could be a lampshade to the side, but they just add that lovely warmth with the yellows. These particular fabrics either come by the metre that you could have cushions made into, or a lot of the Walter G fabrics come as ready-made cushions, which we do stock in the stores. Another option is to go for a fabric like our hop sack in the ginger, which already has that feature of the mustard in the weave of the fabric. So you've already got that as a pretty obvious base. And then working back these lovely prints with that pretty simple textured base. Again, a chair or even a bed head, and then to have your Walter G cushions on your bed. And for something just a little bit more, a little richer, a bit more depth of colour, would be the No Chintz curry or rough in curry. And again, you could put any of these fabrics back with that fabric, and that just gives you a lovely, strong play on pattern and colour.